Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to import password from CSV file to 1password. First go to 1password.com and sign in my account. After sign in, go to import data. After go to from CSV file, then click on continue. Choose your vault. I have a no vault, that's why selected on personal vault. Click on continue. Click on upload. Select CSV file. Then click on continue and add a label. Just click on username. Add a label password. Click on ignore column. After that, click on continue. Click on import anyway. Successfully it on imported from CSV file. View imported item. Now you can see here all items are imported successfully. Thank you.